How you doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, SUVs, bicycles, and everything in between. I said bicycles twice. Did you catch that? Alrighty, we have a Ford Bronco 22. This is a very nice two-door Bronco. It is the Sasquatch package, and requested by the owner was some RGB white lighting in the wheel wells. They wanted that cool color effect, but they didn't want to go full Fast and Furious all over the whole car. They just wanted it above those big-ass factory tires to show it off a little bit and to highlight the Sasquatch suspension under here. So you can see we are in the shop. It is dark. I did turn off the lights. However, it is a full sunny day, and there's your skylight to prove it. So right here, we've got 24-inch strips arced, attached to the fender well, up behind the actual fender skirts that are removable. This is attached to the fender liner, just in front of the fender skirts that are removable. And again, a 24-inch strip on each side. This particular product right now, it is an addressable LED. It comes with a remote control or a very nice application-based program you could put on your phone to control it. Now, we did use an auxiliary switch to kill all power to this, but you could run a separate switch if you like. This is not the kind of accessory you want to leave on battery power, though, or you will end up with a dead battery after a few days. It does need to be switched off. So if you want to use it while the vehicle's all shut down, you'll need to have a separate switch that you can turn off and remember to turn off. This particular product you're looking at right now, this is an addressable LED strip. This series we're looking at is made by Glow, Glowe. Seth Glow is the owner over there and a decent guy to work with, so I'm using his product on a couple of upcoming builds you'll see. And as you can see, addressable LEDs does a lot of different patterns. We can make any color you want. We can do different kind of disco stuff with chasing and all kinds of stuff. I think there's 200 or 300 different patterns to these addressable LEDs. This is not the $15 kit on Amazon. That is a simple RGB. This is addressable, and they are custom made. We custom made the 2-foot links, custom cut all the wiring for this particular vehicle, sealed it up, made it beautiful, as per the normal here at Wicked Warnings. So if you're into this RGB stuff, you can look us up. We're going to go ahead and put this Bronco in our RGB file with all the other RGB cool builds we've done. You can see a Challenger and a F-150 Shelby and another Scatback Charger and all kinds of other stuff we've done this RGB on in the past. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got a Bronco. Share it if you do. Drop a comment. Let me know what you did some RGB on. Let me know if you like this product or not. And any other comments you want to drop, I'll be happy to read them. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. So I hope you enjoyed this short video in the darker shop with just some simple RGB underglow here above the tires of this 22 Ford Bronco Black Diamond Sasquatch Edition. Very cool little truck for our local Ford dealer. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure to tune in to the next video to see all of the additional off-road lighting we've put on this vehicle as well. Don't miss out on the following video about all of the additional off-road lighting. A lot more on this truck than just the wheel lights. Thanks again. See you on the next vid.